Hello, this is Nick D'Orazio, e-learning manager at OSIsoft. There's some exciting new tools in training, tools that make the training more engaging, more collaborative. What we're seeing nowadays is budgets are tight. People aren't coming to the regular instructor-led training in the numbers they used to. At the same time, we're seeing social media tools like Twitter and Facebook and YouTube, especially YouTube, have gotten people used to a kind of a just-in-time training where you learn just what you need to learn and then move on. Now, there have been many early adopters who have taken this social media training model and made it work. For example, Khan Academy is the most successful online training in history, and Stanford University is also using the social media model. We too at OSIsoft are adopting the social media learning model. Here's the OSIsoft Learning channel. Over on the side here, we've got these playlists that are divided by topic and product. And if you drill down into the playlist, you can find each video that pertains to that particular topic. So if I wanted to, I could just go through this the way I would go through a regular class from beginning to end. Now also I have this search up here, so if I wanted to just zero in on a specific thing I'm interested in, let's go into OSIsoft PyAF. I get a bunch of search results that I might be interested in, and I can find the specific video I want to look at. So I'll go ahead and click on this video here. As you learn about AF, you'll notice that there's a lot. There we go. So there's our video. We're in the process of uploading 1,700 of these videos onto YouTube. And each one of these we're adding a transcription to. So the subtitles here in English give us the ability to do this little interactive transcript down at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and click on here. Let me scroll down so you can see it. That now becomes a transcript of everything in this video. I can go through this whole video, see what I might be interested in, and just go straight to that particular portion. So any of these that I click on, I'll go straight to that part of the video. And if I want to, I can just do a Control F and search through this. Let's see, is there anything here about relational databases? Yeah, apparently there is, right around 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Here's my section on relational databases. I can click there and go right to that part of the video. Now, I mentioned that this is a collaborative tool, and within YouTube, the collaboration mechanism is comments. So let me zero in here on the comments. As you can see in this comments section, we are accepting comments. We're even accepting video responses, on approval. And here's a good example of one. I'm working here with an AF video that explains the advantages of using AF. And one of our partners, Data South Systems, they've got a nice little application that makes use of AF to generate process book displays. And they submitted this as a video response. And we thought, great, this is something people ought to know about. So anybody who wants to submit this kind of information that helps flesh out the details of this video, we're glad to get that kind of information. On social media circles, they call this crowdsourcing. We're trying to get as many people with eyes on this topic who might want to contribute as possible. So we'll be accepting that kind of stuff. We'll also be answering questions, as you can see here. Here we've got a question where I guess at some point in this video I mentioned an interface, and the customer says, what's an interface? Okay. So I've been able to answer that question right here quickly for the user. And the beauty of this, of course, is for the next 3 years, everybody who looks at this particular video, they're going to see that question, they're going to see this answer. Now YouTube's done this so well that these links that you see right here, where we've typed in timestamps, those actually become hyperlinks into the video. So you can go straight to where either the commenter or me as a responder will direct you in the video. Now the last thing I wanted to show you right now is that these subtitles here, they're currently in English, but we're working with our localization people to provide 100% accurate translations in different languages. Now, what if you're working with internal customers who, let's say your operations group, they don't speak one of the languages that we decide to translate into? Well, if you take a look up here, this is currently a feature in YouTube where these captions that are currently in English, you can send them through any one of 53 different translations through Google Translate. So it is admittedly a machine translation, so it's going to be inaccurate in places, might be laughable in places, but it's getting better all the time, and we're really glad to be able to add this feature, at this point in time because so many customers have been asking for something like this. Now that's a brief preview of what you can do with the OSIsoft Learning channel. Be sure to visit us on the OSIsoft Learning channel on YouTube.